Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Project Portfolio Dashboard within the Reports section in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the Reports application, he or she can navigate to the Project Portfolio Dashboard by simply typing in the keywords and selecting the result. The user can pin the report for ease of access. The Project Portfolio Dashboard is then displayed. The details of the various milestones, activities, and sign-offs, which are all fed from the project's point of view, and also individual business units and strategic business units and practice sectors within the organization is displayed. The user can deep down drill into this dashboard and view all the items under the various categories of milestones, activities, and sign-offs which are yet to be done, which have actually been done, and which are long overdue. All the subcategories can be expanded and viewed as well, and the details are displayed accordingly. The summary cards, which are displayed here, can also be customized. Finally, filters can be applied in order to manipulate and retrieve the dashboard data based on condition. Thank you for watching.